Short division with a remainder. Short division is my go-to method because it's fast. Here's how you can use it to work very quickly with remainders. Let's start with a nice small one, 19 divided by 5. I'm going to take you through all my thinking as I work out the division problem. There are no 5s in 1, so how many 5s in 19? If you know your 5 times table, you know 3 5s are 15. There's a remainder here. If we count on from 15 to 19, we can quickly find the remainder. So, 16, 17, 18, 19. I counted on 4 to get to 19. That's a remainder of 4. When we get to the end of a problem and there's a remainder, we write a little R up here on the answer line. Then we put that remainder amount in. So 19 divided by 5 is 3, remainder 4. We never ignore a remainder. Another one, a bit longer this time. 197 divided by 3. Set it out with enough space to work between digits in case we need it for remainders. OK, there are no 3s in 1, so how many 3s in 19? If you know your 3 times table, you know that 6 3s are 18. Put up the 6, count on to 19. That's a remainder of 1. Now, how many 3s in 17? 5 3s are 15, then count on to 17. 16, 17. That's a remainder of 2. And we're done. When you're working on division problems, you're going to get remainders. You might find it easy to use your fingers to help you keep count, as I just showed you. Lots of students do. Last one, a bit longer again this time. 2,781 divided by 6. Set it out on the page with plenty of space to work in. I hate seeing work that's all cramped up. Here we go. There are no 6s in 2, so how many 6s in 27? If you know your 6 times table, you know 4 6s are 24. Put up the 4 and count on. 25, 26, 27. There's a remainder of 3. Now, how many 6s in 38? 6 6s are 36 and count on. 37, 38. There's a remainder of 2. Now, how many 6s in 21? 3 6s are 18. Count on. 19, 20, 21. That's a remainder of 3 and we're done. Short division works because we can handle the difference between lower numbers in our heads or using our fingers to help us keep count. That's why it's best for smaller divisors of 2 to 12 whose tables we should all learn anyway. And like anything else, it takes practice. And with practice, you're going to find you don't need your fingers after a while. Plus, you'll work so much faster than your friend doing the same problem using long division. When you're doing a division problem, you can also show a remainder as a decimal, like you get on a calculator. Click here to learn that method.